Czech Republic is one of the most underrated countries in Europe, and these 15 places prove it. From fairy tale towns that look like they were pulled straight out of a storybook, to underground caves, thermal spa towns, and a castle so grand it makes Disney look basic. Today, I'm counting down the 15 places you cannot miss in Czech Republic. Stick around until the end, because the final spot on this list is one of the most photographed places in the entire country, and once you see it, you'll understand why. Let's get into it. Number 15. Pilsen. Home of the original Pilsner, this city is a must for anyone who loves beer culture. Tour the Pilsner Urquell Brewery, walk through underground tunnels beneath the city, and relax in the main square surrounded by pastel buildings and a stunning Gothic cathedral. Number 14. Olomouc. Often overlooked in favor of Prague, Olomouc has one of the largest historic centers in the country, a UNESCO-listed Holy Trinity column, and a lively student atmosphere thanks to its university. It's cheaper, quieter, and just as beautiful. Number 13. Telč. This small town looks like it was painted by hand. The main square is lined with colorful Renaissance and Baroque houses, all reflected in a small lake beside a fairy tale castle. It's one of the most peaceful stops on this list. Number 12. Moravian Karst. If you love nature and adventure, this cave system in South Moravia is unreal. Take a boat ride through the underground river in the Punkva Caves, then stand at the edge of the Makosha Abyss, a sinkhole so deep it drops over 130 meters straight down. Number 11. Terezín. This isn't your typical tourist stop, but it's one of the most important. A former fortress town turned World War II memorial site, Terezín offers a sobering and unforgettable look into Czech history that stays with you long after you leave. Number 10. Hluboká Castle. This white neo-Gothic castle looks like something straight out of a British countryside novel. Surrounded by a massive English-style park, it's one of the most photographed castles in the country, and tours take you through rooms filled with hunting trophies and antique furniture. Number 9. Lednice-Valtice. A UNESCO World Heritage Area covering nearly 300 square kilometers of parks, lakes, and palaces. Rent a bike and spend the day exploring the grounds, then finish at Lednice Chateau, a stunning white palace with an intricate minaret rising above the gardens. Number 8. Bohemian, Switzerland National Park. Despite the name, this is 100% Czech, and it's home to dramatic sandstone formations, deep gorges, and the Pravčica Brana, the largest natural sandstone arch in Europe. If you love hiking, this needs to be on your list. Number 7. Brno. The second largest city in the country, Brno has a completely different energy to Prague. Think underground labyrinths, a functioning astronomical clock, an ossuary rivaling the one in Paris, and a buzzing food and nightlife scene without the crowds. Quick pause here. Everything you need for the perfect trip, including links to every place and activity mentioned in this video, is in the description below, along with the Wise card I use to pay for everything overseas without getting hit with crazy conversion fees. Number 6. Karlovy Vary. This elegant spa town is famous for its mineral hot springs and colorful colonnades. Sip warm spa water from a traditional drinking cup as you walk along the river, and if the name sounds familiar, it's because this town has appeared in several James Bond films. Number 5. Kutná Hora. Just an hour from Prague, this UNESCO town is home to one of the strangest sights in Europe, the Sedlec Ossuary, a chapel decorated entirely with the bones of over 40,000 people. It's eerie, it's fascinating, and it's unlike anything you've seen before. Number 4. Šumava National Park. Untouched forests, glacial lakes, and rolling hills along the border with Germany and Austria. This is where locals go to escape the crowds, and it's perfect for hiking, cycling, or just slowing down for a few days surrounded by nature. Number 3. Kroměříž. This UNESCO-listed town is home to one of the most stunning palace gardens in Europe. Wander through the flower garden's manicured hedges and colonnades, then explore the Archbishop's Palace, where scenes from Amadeus were filmed. It's grand, it's peaceful, and it's proof that you don't need to be a major city to leave a lasting impression. Number 2. Český Krumlov. Picture cobblestone streets winding around a river, a candy-colored castle on the hill, and rooftops as far as you can see. Český Krumlov consistently ranks as one of the most beautiful small towns in the world, and walking through it feels like stepping into a different century. Before we get to number 1, if you want to make planning a trip like this so much easier, grab my completely free travel planner linked in the description. It covers everything from flights and transport to accommodation, budgeting, and packing lists. And best of all, it costs you nothing. And finally, number 1. Prague. Of course it's Prague. The Charles Bridge at sunrise, the astronomical clock striking the hour, Prague Castle towering over the city, and the old town square glowing gold in the evening light. It earns the top spot for a reason, and no matter how many times you visit, it never gets old. Now, before you start booking flights, a few things you need to know. The best time to visit Czech Republic is May, June, or September, when the weather is warm, the crowds are smaller, and prices are lower than peak summer. If you're traveling on a budget, look at hostels or guest houses in Prague's Žižkov or Vinohrady neighborhoods, where you'll get a comfortable stay for a fraction of Old Town prices. If you want to treat yourself, the Augustine in Prague is a stunning 5-star option set inside a former monastery. And one thing a lot of travelers don't expect, Czech Republic still uses the koruna, not the euro, so keep that in mind when budgeting and exchanging money. That's a wrap on the 15 must-visit places in Czech Republic. If this video helped you plan your next trip, do me a favor and hit like, share it with someone who needs to see this, subscribe if you're not already, and hit the bell so you get notified every time I release a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.